In this session, we are going to learn the list of national symbols of the United States of America, along with a brief description of each.
National flag. The flag of the United States, often referred to as the American flag, consists of 13 horizontal stripes, alternating red and white, with a blue rectangle in the canton containing 50 white stars representing the 50 states of the Union.
National anthem. The Star-Spangled Banner is the national anthem of the United States. The lyrics are from Defense of Fort McHenry, a poem written on September 14, 1814, by 37-year-old lawyer and amateur poet Francis Scott Key.
National motto, "In God We Trust," is the national motto of the United States. It first appeared on a U.S. coin in 1864, but did not become the official motto until 1956.
National seal. The Great Seal of the United States is used to authenticate certain documents issued by the U.S. federal government. The seal features an eagle holding a ribbon with the motto E pluribus unum in its beak.
National bird. The bald eagle is the national bird of the United States. It symbolizes freedom, strength, and power.
National flower. The rose is the national flower of the United States. It symbolizes love, beauty, and courage.
National tree. The oak tree is the national tree of the United States. It symbolizes strength, endurance, and longevity.
National animal. The American bison is the national mammal of the United States. It symbolizes strength, resilience, and freedom.
Thank you.